Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I cook a traditional Naga pork dish. So actually this is already washed and cut, so I can directly put in the pot now like this. So I'm going to pressure cook, so you can just put it all like this in the cooker. I'm going to pressure cook this. Otherwise, if you don't want to pressure cook, you can cook normal like this. So I'm going to add just some salt and chili powder. So this is just meat, salt and chili powder. So I'll add some water here. And now I pressure cook. So just like so, now I pressure cook for 20 minutes, and then after that I will add some other ingredients. So guys, the 20-minute cooking is done. See, this is how it is now, and I will put the rest of the ingredients. And now I put ginger and garlic, and this is a wild coriander. I'll put it later. We have to cook another 10 minutes. Now this is all done. Now I'll just add the wild coriander, and it's very simple. And so I'll put the wild coriander, and it's all done now. It's ready to eat now. So guys, the dish is done, and I will garnish some coriander, and done, all done, ready to eat. So guys, thank you for watching my video today. See you, bye bye.